If you always enjoy your meal without a side dish, this recipe is for you because I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple salad which is going to turn out vibrant, flavorful, delicious, and packed with lots of vitamins and minerals together with lots of nutrients. This is a recipe which is going to take around 10 minutes of your time, so why not try out the recipe? When it comes to the fresh ingredients, you'll need some cucumber, onion, I have a lemon, carrots, assorted peppers, and coriander. And also, you'll need some white vinegar, black pepper, and salt. So the recipe is as simple as that. So I'm going to start off chopping up my fresh ingredients, and I'm going to start off with my cucumber. So I'm going to chop off the ends. Place your knife at a 45 degrees angle and cut your cucumber. Stack your cucumber and cut into strips. Transfer the cucumber into my bowl. Next, I'm going to slice my onion. I'm going to cut the roots and the top of the onion, then I'm going to remove the skin. Then I'm going to cut into half moons. Transfer into the bowl as well. Pick my yellow capsicum, cut into half. Remove the seeds. To slice into your bell peppers, you're going to use a vegetable peeler and run along the bell pepper just like this to get thin strips. Then you're going to transfer into your bowl. Repeat with the red capsicum. Or you can simply use your knife and thinly cut your bell pepper. By now, the veggies are going to look very vibrant because we have different colors, and to add in some more colors, you're going to add in carrots. So I'm going to use my vegetable peeler to peel my carrots, which is very fast. Chop off the ends. Pick one more carrot, repeat. Then I'm going to place my knife 45 degrees and cut into the same shape that I chopped up my cucumber, because I want to cut into strips as well. A sharp knife is very essential in the kitchen because chopping up your veggies gets easy. Then I'm going to stack my carrots and cut into strips. Pick your coriander and finely dice. As for the coriander, you can substitute with parsley, which you're going to thinly slice and add into the bowl. I'm going to use my knife and mince a little bit to make sure it's finely diced. Nice. You're going to squeeze in a teaspoon of lemon juice, add in some black pepper and salt. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And a touch of white vinegar, which you can substitute with apple cider vinegar. Just around half a teaspoon. Toss all your fresh ingredients using a spoon or a spatula and just look at those colors. Everything is looking fantastic. Finely chopped up veggies. You're going to take the seasoning at this point. If it's not perfect, you're going to add in some more salt. So the salt is going to draw water from the veggies as they are going to get pliable. So the salad is going to slap like no one's else business. So I'm going to keep this in the fridge for around 15 minutes before serving so that the salad can chill, not cool, so that the salad can chill. So hope you'll be giving this recipe a try, because as you can see, the plate looks so good.